Let's practice English together right now. I'm English learner and I'm going to film a vlog of my day as a college student. I will describe everything what I do and what I see there. By this way you can improve your English listening and practice vocabulary, and I'm going to practice speaking. First thing first, our morning in dormitory.
Getting dressed. Vita, trying to get close and put on a down jacket. Nah, just jacket. Alright, it is actually currently already 11 a.m. It's kind of late because we have our classes only like after hour, and we have 2 classes today. So we woke up. Actually, in fact, we didn't get enough sleep because like yesterday in the evening we were watching a scary movie, and you know, Vita got panic a little bit. Just interesting fact. And yeah, as you can see, by the way, in our room we got some updates. So right now we have this blue light in the corner, a flag of United States, in order to create some kind of vibe of America here. And during the filming videos, it just make a beautiful background in the wall. It's not, it doesn't look empty anymore, as you can see. I'm not gonna lie, it's a really cool lamp, and it costs like maybe, how much did it cost? I don't remember, $10 or something like that. Really cheap. Alright, standard backpack, standard football, doing warming up, like this. He's chatting to someone on the phone. I mean, yeah, we got even a map here. So before going to bed, I can just lie here and look at the map and think about the world, about traveling. That's pretty interesting. Where are you from, guys? I know from Brazil people, from Indonesia people, India people. These are your countries, guys. You somewhere there. That's miracle, like. And I'm there, and I'm here in Moscow. It's again bad weather. It's gray. Kind of depression. Alright, it's been 2 weeks already without sun. Right, without sun for 2 weeks. Can you believe that? It's just raining, it's drizzling, and there was not even a desire to go outside. You want to just sit here and work and watch something and just chill with your guys here at home. Now let's leave my dormitory room and go to university. And how could I forget about it? Look at this. I got a new desk chair. Like this kind of chair. It's really comfortable. Yeah, it's kind of, it doesn't look fresh, like it's kind of torn, because as you can see, this upholstery is coming off like this upholstery. But in any case, it's so soft. I got it for free, just some guy was going to throw it away, but I noticed that fact. Пойдем, Вить, ну чё, что мы стоим? But I noticed that fact, that he's trying to throw it away, and I felt like, wow, yo, just give it to me for free, and it's good conditions, like why not? I'm gonna sit there in comparison with the chair that I used to have, like this, just wooden chair. Well, currently we're waiting for a bus, to take a bus on our bus station together, and by the way, show them this abundance. The picture, show them in the camera. Show them. Take a look at this abandoned building, and we're planning to visit this at night. It's somewhere. Oh my god, that's crazy. It's somewhere like around Moscow, somewhere in near cities, and we're planning to go there at night just to check what is going on there, whether we're gonna be killed or not, and film vlog there. Just regular car. Alright, and right now the bus is coming. We're gonna to catch a bus. It's been 1 minute as we were waiting, so it's pretty comfortable. And look at this autumn. Alright, let's get inside. The doors are closing. The door are closed. Oh my god. Oh. Take a look outside. This is the end of October. Currently, this building is under construction. It's gonna be a skyscraper in the future. It's gonna take probably 30 minutes or something, 25 minutes. It's our subway. Just subway, standard. I think as the same as everywhere. Yeah. We have a screen with some advertisements. It's called advertisement of events, movies. Yeah. By the way, I love the design of this train. Look at design. It is pretty unique. I've never seen this design before. To be honest, it's a lot of people for noon, because it's noon right now, maybe 11:30, 12. I don't know. Where are they going? The process of reading a book, of getting educated, it's cool. My plan is, I don't know, listen some music and learn vocabulary. As always, that's classic for me. Oh, we've come to our campus territory. Take a look at this building. It is our main building where we're gonna have classes today. Like this. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Well, our plan. Vita is going to sleep right now because we almost didn't sleep at night. Like almost, maybe a couple of hours. I slept 5 hours, I guess, right? Vita didn't sleep at all due to watching scary movie. You know, it has some effects on our nervous system and just destroyed our lifestyle schedule of sleeping. I haven't forgot English, bro. I feel like, bro, my brain is just been slowed. My brain is slows down a little bit right now. Girls are probably going to study. Здорово. Take a look at them. They discussing some problems about studying, some smart things. Yeah. This boy is going to play some video games and drink fresh soda or something like that. So yeah. What are they talking about? I don't know. Probably about our home task, because we actually had the home task and I did it. Take a look. I have two list of papers, and it is actually our homework, like matrix. We have to calculate some things. Wait, I have a microphone.
Мяу, мяу. Да, подожди, я не настроена.
Look at some equations. What we're studying right now, equations on this screen. It's not actually a whiteboard, it's just a screen. And I'm saying the first class is done, and we have only one more class for the day, and it's gonna be a test. We're gonna be having like a midterm test. You know what I'm saying? Well, it is like a middle of semester, and we have only two tests. Like right now in the end of October, and then in the end of December, something like that. It's gonna represent our real knowledge, and all these grades is gonna be like the only what we supposed to get. We're going to take an elevator. I'm saying.
I'm fine. I'm good.
This is the basic knowledge of English here in Russian.
I'm yellow.
You're yellow?
Yeah, I'm yellow.
Alright, now we are going to get some snacks. To get a breakfast, like kinda dinner, not dinner, like kinda lunch. It's gonna be a lunch for us, but real quick. There is no sandwich right now. There is no sandwiches. What we're gonna do now?
Одна пицца осталась.
That's sad. Sasha is going to be crying. Crying. Look what we got. We got
свинина с
potato,
огурцом.
like potato
Свинина
and
с
meat.
огурцом.
Pork. It is a
Блин,
pork
хачапури
with a
вкусный был?
cucumber, with the cucumbers. Yo, General Bakery. Look, it's just a pouring some kind of drink. It is cool dining room. It's cozy, you know, especially when we have like drizzle and rain outside and it's gloomy outside. Being inside, it feels so cozy. Like, I don't know, I feel something nostalgic from the times when I was a schoolboy, and you know, when you were at school and it's drizzle, it's raining. I don't know, it just feels so good. It is my lunch, it is his lunch, and it is his lunch. Fork. Oh, that's nice. Oh, he's trying to finish homework. Just didn't have time. Yeah. A shelf. You see this? One shelf, second shelf, third shelf with the books. It is a shelf. If you also having a lunch right now, enjoy a meal, bro. Yo, it's already me after the test. I took it. I hope I passed it successfully. And unfortunately, you understand, I wasn't able to film there, you know, it was kind of official event. And, you know, the subject is called something about physics, features of crystals. Because I studied nanotechnology here, so it's not about language, it's not about English at all. It's not related to languages in no way. So, trying to study physics, math, crystals, and this kind of topics. Well, today that's it for me, pretty much, because I was supposed to have football game today, but we canceled it. Just we didn't get enough people to arrange our game, so we decided not today, bro. It's already like cold, and I think not many people want to play outside because we don't have a gym inside, football field inside to play. Right now I'm in the campus, as usually, as a tradition, to take a look at pyramids. Also, I don't have even an English-speaking club this week, so there is no English, no Spanish-speaking club, no Russian, nothing. Right now, one of my friends, he's not living with us in dormitory room because he left us for a while. He's been living with his girlfriend, and right now my another friend who I live with, he just still staying there and trying to pass the test successfully. Well, that's the reason why I'm alone right now, without friends, and going home. If you haven't seen this street before, please take a look. And I think it's actually apartments where people live, real like local residents, they live here. And this one, I don't know what kind of building is this. Like, for real, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. Well, take a look at the entrance into the subway. It's so huge, like, for real. This door is just huge. It's like two of me. It's really tall. Take a look at this. And architecture inside.
It's actually pretty brilliant, like, seriously. Okay. First thing first, needs to get my transportation card. Yes, sir, let's go. And just like this. All right, it was actually my day pretty much. I hope you learned something new. I hope you immersed yourself into college life and enjoy it. It is a good day. Thank you. See you though. Bye bye.